Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So in today's video I'm gonna show you a simple eye makeup look, which is soft, smoky and glowy eye makeup look. And this is so easy and natural looking. Okay, first I want to start with this concealer by Color in shade 02 Light. This is 3 to 4 shades lighter than my skin tone. It will cover up my blemishes and discoloration. Then I'm taking this normal translucent powder to set the concealer. For eyeshadow, I'm using Tuscan Sunshine eyeshadow palette by Kiko Milano. Here I'm applying this chocolate color on my outer corner and crease area. I'm using this flat medium shaded brush by Manji. Now I'm applying this peachy brown shade on my upper crease area, right here. Now blend the harsh line. This shadow is blending so nicely. Again, I'm picking up the chocolate shade to deepen my outer corner. Now I want to apply this shimmer to brighten up the look. It will look more refreshed and glowy. I'm using light amount of that chocolate color on my lower lash line. Then I'm using this silver shimmer from my Sephora eyeshadow makeup palette to highlight my inner corner and brow bone. You can wear this eye makeup look at any time of the day for so long. I've done with my makeup. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment and share. Thanks for watching.